Back with another video. I'm doing an unboxing. I already took the product out the box, but this is going to be an unboxing. And today I'm going to be showing you another backpack purse. And this one is going to be from the brand Fiorelli. Fiorelli. And this is a UK brand. Never had, well, probably had, but it's a UK brand. And I saw another YouTuber do a review and what's in my bag on this type of purse, this brand purse. And so I liked it. And since I have a few black backpacks, I wanted to get one in a brown. Don't have a brown one. And this is what it looks like up close. Fiorelli. And this one has like a light gold hardware, which I'm excited about. So I love bags with gold hardware. It just looks so nice to me. But this is, and you see the little Fiorelli on the zipper pull. And let's see, no side pockets on this, which is fine. But we have a back pocket. The zipper pull. Oh, it's round. Oh, it feels so good. And let's see how deep this is. Pretty deep, so you could fit a little small wallet, maybe your keys, things that you want to grab quickly. Your phone. Zipper. Look at that. Nice quality. The zipper. Top handle. And let's see, let's open it. Sorry about the noise. I know this is going to be kind of loud. Okay, let's see. We have a back pocket and a back pocket, two slip pockets right here, and a back zipped pocket, which is, let's see, yeah, it's pretty deep. Little gel packs. That's pretty deep, so you need to fit something in there. And let's see, on this side we have two slip pockets. That's pretty deep as well. Yeah, I should be able to fit my phone in there. Like a grayish, well, it is gray, like a slate gray type of lining. I don't know if that color comes through on a camera. So that's a nice, and it has the Fiorelli name all over the line. These aren't detachable. I just did a video, the Steve Madden, a little mini one, and those straps were detachable, but this is not detachable, and that's fine. And I want to have a detachable, I'll just carry the Steve Madden. And this is adjustable. And let's see, you have five holes. So you can have it snug on your back. You know, maybe a smaller person, or really have it loose, on your back, so you can tighten it, to your liking, obviously. So this is the Fiorelli backpack purse. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.